Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a continuation of the catch can video, just like how to clean it and how often you should clean it. Does it actually work? I've been getting a few of these questions, so I figured I would go ahead and do a video on it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. Alrighty, so if you remember when we installed it, I said it had a little tiny dipstick over here. We can go ahead and take that out, see if there's any contents down in the bottom of this thing. Now, I've been driving with it for, I think it's been about 2.5 weeks now, and it's actually pretty hard to tell on camera, but there is some liquid on there, so we'll go ahead and screw that back in. And to empty it, what we're going to do, and make sure you get a good seal on that, what we're going to do is just unscrew this piece here from the bottom and take a look at what's inside there. Alrighty guys, and as you can see, we have got a pretty nasty thick coating of sludge and some oil on the bottom there. And if you look really close, you can actually see some little particulates and stuff in there. That would be all that carbon buildup. So yeah, that's what's not being recirculated back into the engine and helping it stay clean. So let's go ahead and get this out of there. We're gonna use just some warm soapy water and some paper towels and stuff, and we'll get this all out of here cleaned up and put it back together. Alrighty you guys, and it's just that easy to see the benefits of having one of these oil catch cans installed on your car. You want to keep that carbon buildup out of your engine and keep it running smoothly. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the catch can or cleaning, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be leaving a link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up for your ride. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.